Hello everyone, here is my data meeting number 3 presentation by Ariel Barnes and Monica Jimenez, and we are group number 5. So during data meeting number 3, my partner and I had several discussion points. The first thing that we discussed were the 2 tables that we needed to complete. We also were able to identify our SMART goals. We further refined our exploratory question. And then we were able to determine instructional methods that would help us achieve our SMART goals, as well as how we would evaluate the goals as well. So here's our table number 1. Like I said, we refined our exploratory question and narrowed it down a little more. Last week, we were able to come up with why are most students struggling with goal and objective number 3, and what specifically are they struggling with. And this week we narrowed it down just a little bit more, and we decided that goal and objective number 3 was going to be the reading comprehension of a story. So we identified our SMART target learning goal, which was by the end of the first quarter, 75% of students will score 80% or higher on the reading comprehension assessment. So our evaluation method would be the reading comprehension assessment. And then for table 2, we identified some instructional methods that would help with these learning and instructional gaps. So we wanted to focus on comprehension strategies with students, and we want them to be able to identify at least 3 new comprehension strategies that they can use. We also want to ask comprehension questions as the students are reading, and we want students to be able to ask questions, ask each other questions about what they are reading. We also want to focus on vocabulary instruction so that by the end of the first quarter, 80% of students would be able to identify new vocabulary words associated with the text. And finally, we want students to develop reading stamina. And we can do this or observe this based upon teacher observation. As far as reflections and improvements for this meeting, this week we were able to use a Google Doc to input our data, and we actually did this simultaneously while we were on the phone with each other. This gave us the opportunity to ask questions for clarification if we needed it, and also to give each other feedback. And this worked really well for us. And at this time, I do not see any improvements that we need to make. We have been working very well together, and I'm grateful for that. So we're just gearing up for data meeting number 4.